Welcome to my second video on this channel. I totally forgot to introduce my name last time, so my name is Jimmy and thank you so much for watching this video today. I am super excited to be sharing with you guys my shoe rotation for autumn-winter 2020. I will be dividing this into two main categories, the first one being boots and derbies and the second one being sneakers. When it comes to footwear for autumn-winter, what I tend to think about is firstly protection. How does the footwear actually sustain in the various weather conditions, wet and cold, or even when it's snowing? And secondly, comfortability. That one is pretty obvious, how it actually feels on your foot. And lastly, the design, how does it actually fit the theme of the season. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First on the list are the Ranger boots from Saint Laurent Paris Autumn Winter 13. These are definitely my favorite pair of boots by far. The quality is impeccable, it is versatile, and the design is timeless. When you think about it, these have been around for almost 8 years, and I can hardly imagine these ever going out of style. You can wear these with any types of pants, and I have here paired it with the flare cargo pants from vuja. These are definitely my go-to boots for this autumn-winter, as it will protect me from any weather conditions, keep me warm, and looking appropriate in any given situation. Let's move on. Second on the list is another pair from Saint Laurent, the harness WYATTS from autumn-winter 18. Another timeless boots that does not need much introduction. I would prefer to style this with both skinny jeans and straight cut pants. I think it works well either way, although it was intended with skinny type of pants by Eddie Slimane. In this case, I'm wearing them with a pair of trousers from COMME de garçon shirt. To me, these are more suitable for formal events, and that is when I imagine myself wearing them the most. Let's move on to derbies. Third on the list is the classic Doc Martens 1461 in the colorway Mono Black. This one is an essential and a must-have for anyone in my opinion. Not only is the price good, but it is so beautifully versatile and goes with basically anything. I am here wearing it with a pair of straight cut jeans from Acne Studios. These definitely suits any occasion you're going for. This sums up the boots / derbies I'll be wearing for the season, ranging from high tops to low tops, covers any occasion and will keep me dry, warm and cozy. Let's move on to sneakers. First on the sneaker list, another classic footwear, the OWENS RAMONES. These are from Spring/Summer 16, and what's great about these is that the upper contains of nylon material. It really helps in reflecting water and keeping me dry in rainy days. I'm here wearing them with the OWENS CREATCH cargo pants, an undeniable trademark combination from the designer. Let's move on to the second sneaker. These are the Off-White Jordan 5. When I first saw pictures of these, I wasn't completely convinced, but when I saw them and felt them in hand, I was sold. The details and distressing is so cool, and when styled correctly, I think they look incredible. I will only be wearing these with straight cut types of pants due to the chunkiness nature of the sneakers. In this case, I am again wearing them with the flare cargo pants from vuja, which I think looks so good to combine together. Let's move on to the third sneaker. Next on the list we have Nike Air Force 1 in collaboration with G-Dragon, Dub, the Paranoids. Air Force One is probably one of my most favorite designs of all time, so I had to include one in this rotation. I would definitely only wear these when it's sunny outside, because I can't imagine these thick laces being all soaked up and wet. I am here also wearing it with the CDG shirt trousers, making the shoes suit a slightly more formal setting. Let's move on to the last sneaker on the list. You might already know this from my previous video, the aime Leon Dore New Balance 550. These are definitely the most cozy sneakers for the season, hands down, and will be my go-to daily choice. I'm here wearing a pair of pleated pants from UNIQLO U. The shoes are comfortable, versatile, and durable, and you can't really go wrong here. This sums up the 4 sneakers I'll be wearing for this season. I think all of them are fairly versatile and easy to style with most types of outfits. There you have it, guys. That is my shoe rotation for autumn-winter 2020. I'm definitely more of a sneakers guy than a boots guy, as you guys can see. But as time goes by, I do feel myself leaning so much more towards boots, but we'll see what I'll end up with. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below, or just shoot me a message on Instagram. Appreciate it always, and until next time, peace.